This is Chamoru History in a Minute with Vanatsu. Puntan Amantes, or Two Lovers' Point, is one of the Chamorro people's most famous stories. The most common version describes a young Chamorro woman who is to be wed to a Spanish officer in the early days of Spanish colonialism. She is in love with a Chamorro man, though, who her family does not approve of. They run away and are eventually cornered at the cliff that bears the name of their tragic story. Rather than surrender, they choose to tie their hair together and leap to their deaths. There are other versions of this story, however, including ones where the drama takes place in ancient times prior to colonization. The tension deals with a young woman who loves someone outside her social caste. Rather than marry someone of her own caste, she falls in love with a member of the lowest caste, the Manatsang. More recently, Senator Chris Malfunction Barnett created a new version of Puntan Amantes, in which the tragic love story is now between a girl who attends private school and a boy who attends public school.